In this video, I'll show you how to advertise on a specific app using Google Ads, so you can control exactly where your ads appear within the Google Display Network. Start by creating a new campaign and choose the display campaign type, since mobile apps are part of the display network rather than search. During campaign setup, go to the targeting section and select placements. Placements allow you to manually choose where your ads can show, including individual mobile apps. Click Add Placements, switch to the apps category, and search for the specific app by name, URL, or package ID to ensure accuracy. After selecting the app placements, continue configuring your campaign by setting location targeting, language, budget, and bidding strategy. For app placements, responsive display ads often perform well because they automatically adjust to different screen sizes and formats. Remember that placement targeting helps guide delivery, but impressions can vary depending on inventory and eligibility. Subscribe for more honest digital marketing tutorials.